Hello, this video is the course guidance for writing a research proposal, course A, and writing a research article, course B. There are 8 parts to this guidance, so if you wish, use the timestamps in the description below to skip between parts. I'll first introduce myself. My name is Martin O'Brien and I'm the instructor for both courses. I've been teaching skill-based courses for the past 10 years and I have 21 years of research experience. I'd like to begin by providing some background to both courses. The reason I developed these 2 courses was that I noticed students seem to be spending most of their time doing lab and/or fieldwork, with very little time spent learning skills to prepare you for your immediate future within the university and your long-term professional development. These other skills include academic writing, effective presentation skills, etc. I believe a better balance is needed between lab and fieldwork and learning other important skills. This imbalance has been recognized by other universities, and some graduate schools have started addressing the problem by introducing advanced professional courses for their students. I'm showing an example of some of these professional courses on the screen. Highlighted in green are the 2 courses I offer. And critical thinking and academic writing are a large component of both courses. I also cover other useful skills as part of courses A and B, which I've highlighted in a lighter shade of green. Writing a research proposal, course A. The course runs in the summer semester, April to July. This course is best suited for first-year master's students, but any graduate student who is beginning a new research project may take it. Some students who take this course have already a topic and research question assigned to them by their project supervisor. For everyone else, I will show you how to find your topic and research question in this course. Most activities in class are through active learning, which mainly involves doing pair or group work. There is one 105-minute class per week. The course is worth 2 credits, and at the end of the course you will need to submit 1 research proposal and have given 1 class presentation. An important point to be aware of is course A is 3 courses in 1. That means you will be learning about research planning and academic writing and writing a research proposal in this course. When doing a master's or PhD, you have 3 main goals. 1. Become an expert in your chosen topic. 2. Become a competent researcher. And 3. To graduate. This course will help you become a competent researcher. The core modules in this course include how to find a research topic, how to identify a research question within the topic, how to evaluate study approach, how to write each section of your research proposal, how to prepare a research plan, how to set short-term and long-term research goals, and throughout the course you will also receive feedback on your writing from your class peers and me. To help you write your research proposal, we cover how to write the introduction, statement of the problem, literature review, method, significance implications, plan of work, and anticipated results. Academic writing is also an important component of this course, so we'll be covering text and page formatting, scientific writing style, scientific conventions and grammar, writing clearly, concisely and cohesively, how to cite and reference the literature accurately, how to avoid plagiarism. There are also optional modules in course A. They include how to design and deliver an effective presentation, how to survive and thrive in graduate school, how to build stronger student-supervisor relationships, best software apps for students, and how to set short-term and long-term career goals. This is a 13-week course, and the first few weeks you'll be reading the literature and planning and developing your project. And in the remainder of the course you will write your research proposal. You will also give a class presentation about your research in week 6. Writing a Research Article, Course B. The course runs in the autumn semester, October to January. This course can be taken by any graduate student. Please note, you will need to have most of your results collected before taking this course because previous students have struggled to complete experiments, studies, and take this course at the same time. Most activities in class are through active learning, which mainly involves doing peer or group work. There is one 105-minute class per week. This course is worth 2 credits, and by the end of the course, you will need to submit 1 research article and have given 1 class presentation. The core modules in Course B include how to select a target journal, how to write each section of your manuscript, how to present tables and figures clearly, how to write a cover letter to a journal, how the journal peer reviewing process works, how to decipher decision letters from journal editors, and throughout the course you will also receive feedback on your writing from class peers and me. To help you write your manuscript, we will cover how to write the title, abstract, introduction, method, results, discussion, and conclusion. And a major part of this course is academic writing. So I will be providing you with instructions about text and page formatting, grammatical accuracy, logical structure, how to write clearly, concisely, and cohesively, how to cite and reference the literature accurately, and how to avoid plagiarism. This is a 13-week course, and you will have the entire 13 weeks to write your research article. You will also give a class presentation about your research in week 4. Unique features and benefits of both courses. In both courses, I check your writing each week and provide feedback. If you need additional help, there are teaching assistants for one-to-one coaching. You can make an appointment online and then have your consultation via Zoom. Both courses will complement what you are learning within your research group. And because the medium of instruction is English, it allows both Japanese and international students to take the course together. This is a good chance for international students to get to know Japanese students and for Japanese students to discuss their research in English, which is not common in some research groups. In both courses, you will only be writing and presenting your own research. Therefore, you can become familiar with using English technical words and phrases common to your own research field. For example, an ecologist uses different words and phrases than a microbiologist. This is one very important feature that is often missing from general writing courses. Your research topic will likely be different than other students taking the course. This can make for interesting discussions. Most classes have only about 15 students, and all class materials such as videos and handouts are available on a dedicated website. You will have access to this website from week 1. The primary benefits of courses A and B are to do better research and write a higher quality graduate thesis and/or journal article, improve your English communication skills. And in Course A, you can obtain feedback about your research before starting your experiment study. Also in Course A, you'll be practicing what's known as pre-writing. Pre-writing is to begin writing your thesis and/or research article while planning your experiment study. Let me explain this concept in more detail. Many graduate students leave writing until after all their lab work and/or field work is completed. In your case, that could be 1 to 2 years later, and that's a big mistake for the following 2 reasons. Firstly, writing is a very slow process, so the sooner you start writing, the sooner you'll understand how much time it takes, and then you can factor that into how many experiments, studies you can realistically undertake during your master's or PhD. It's important to allow sufficient time for writing and publishing your research. Secondly, clear thinking can emerge from clear writing. By not writing down your thoughts and ideas on paper before beginning your experiment study, you likely will skip over some important details that will only become apparent much later. Additionally, because nothing is written down, no one can provide constructive feedback to you. By the end of Course A, you will have already written both an introduction and method section as part of your research proposal. Then, 1 to 2 years later, after collecting your data, you can focus on writing the result and discussion sections. It's always easier to start writing when you have already something written. Secondary benefits of courses A and B include you'll better enjoy the process of doing research. You can learn a wide range of transferable skills for use inside or outside of academia. You'll have the skills that employers want, such as clear and concise writing, better English speaking skills, be able to deliver an effective presentation, better collaboration skills, etc. And another benefit is improved confidence to work in an English-only work environment if needed. I'll summarise the benefits of both courses. In Course A, you're going to learn how to plan your research carefully. This will allow you to perform fewer but more focused experiment studies, so you waste less time. Then it is easier to statistically analyse and/or interpret your data. And it is easier to write your graduate thesis and/or research article. And now you will have the time to do that. Finally, comments you receive from journal reviewers will help improve all future research you undertake. How to apply for each course. First, scan the QR code to obtain the application form. Complete the application form. Receive notification that you have been accepted. Receive notification of the class day and time. And finally, register for the course in UTAS. Important dates in 2023. The application period for Course A is from March 27th to April 3rd, and for Course B it is from September 25th to October 1st. If you're not sure which course is most suitable for you, you should take Course A if you have not started your main experiment study yet, and you are still in the planning stage. And you should take Course B after completing your experiments studies. Student feedback. At the end of each semester, I ask students to rate each course. You can see the questionnaire responses in the table. Pause the video and have a look. For the next 10 slides, you'll be able to read comments from students who took each course. Please pause the video to read. Questions and answers. In the following 10 slides, you can see the answers to questions commonly asked by students about these two courses. Again, you need to pause the video if you want to read each slide. That's the end of course guidance. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions about these two courses, please leave them in the comment section below.